Hello, my name is David Blair, and I'm the Director of Strategic Programs at Headwall, a company with deep roots in the remote sensing and geospatial intelligence communities. I'm speaking to you from one of our 2 manufacturing locations in Massachusetts, just a short drive from Boston, a few miles from Hanscom Air Force Base, and near some of the industry's largest defense contractors and Headwall partners, including FLIR, Raytheon, Textron, BAE Systems, and Collins. Our focus is on providing the community with innovative and robust spectral and multi-sensor products, including hyperspectral imagers and application-specific sensors for ISR and long-term environmental monitoring. Headwall was the first company to offer a family of low size, weight, and power hyperspectral payloads designed to operate on small UAVs. These commercial off-the-shelf solutions can also combine powerful hyperspectral imaging technologies with complementary sensors, such as LiDAR, thermal, and high-resolution RGB. Headwall sensors operate across a multitude of spectral ranges, including the V-near and SWIR, serving critical applications such as agriculture, environmental monitoring, mining, and infrastructure inspection. Headwall's commitment to the highest quality and performance is evident in projects such as the Hisui Hyperspectral Imaging Suite. This spaceborne imager was built for Japan Space Systems and was launched on a SpaceX rocket to the International Space Station last December. It will be providing Earth monitoring data via 2 high-performance Headwall imaging spectrometers. We are proud of this achievement, not only because these custom hyperspectral imagers will meet or exceed specifications, but because they were delivered on time and on budget. This is a challenging time for everyone around the globe, and I want to thank the SmallSat organizers for taking the initiative to host this virtual showcase in place of the annual symposium. And from the entire Headwall team around the world, thank you for watching this video. We would love to hear your requirements and work with you in the future.